Hi everyone, it's Carla here. It's really good to see you. What I'm going to provide for you in this little recording is just a really short mindfulness exercise that you can do anytime. And this was actually developed by a professor by the name of Jon Kabat-Zinn, which some of you may know of, may have heard of, and his area of expertise is in mental health. So this is a short exercise that he developed called the breathing space. It's a 3-minute breathing space, and it helps to ground us. So with all the information that we're currently getting, receiving, being bombarded with the media, we're a lot in our heads. There's a lot of information happening which can make us feel quite anxious, quite stressed, scared, panicky, all those emotions. And along with that, our energy is up here, so our breath is also up as well. Everything's up, and we need to bring that energy down. So I'd like you to find a comfortable sitting position. You can even be in a chair. And just allow your eyes to gently lower down or close. And you can have the palms resting just wherever they naturally fall, whether it's in the lap or on the knees. And for this next minute, I'd like you to focus completely on your thoughts. So just take notice of all those thoughts that might be running around, coming up. But for this next minute, focusing just on your thoughts. And for the next minute, I'd like you to focus completely on your breath. Noticing the subtle movement, the natural movement that happens with every breath in and out. And how it starts to create space in the body. You might even feel that space being created in the fingers and the toes as you breathe in and out. So for the next minute, complete awareness only on your breath. And for our third minute, I'd like you to shift your awareness completely to the parts of your body that are making contact with the earth. Whether that's your feet, ankles, sit bones, focusing completely on that connection. And from those areas, even imagining that you're growing roots that go right through the earth into the center of the earth, drawing you down. So for this next minute, complete focus on the body connecting with the floor. And from here, slowly bringing your attention back to where you are, fluttering the eyelids back, coming back to your room, and back to your day. Namaste.